Currently in a convoy of Des Moines firemen. I'm the odd man out today. We're fishing a private pond somewhere west of Des Moines. Can't really tell you where it's at because I don't even know where I'm at. Hopefully gonna get on some giant crappie today and maybe some other mixed bag species here. So stick with us and see what we can put on the ice.
All right, out of my buddy's farm pond. He's back over there. I thought I'd make it fun. Get a little 1v1 action. There's supposedly some pretty big crappies in here.
So what's the rules for the 1v1?
I think pretty much any farm pond in Iowa, crappie, sunfish, bass, maybe catfish. I think longest fish takes the point, each species.
Okay, you mentioned they have to be on video?
Oh, yeah, absolutely has to be on video.
All right.
Loser buys lunch.
I'm game for that. They need to be measured on video. I don't want no cheating from you, Keith.
Of course. I'm gonna win anyway, so.
Whatever. All right, let's see if we can do this. Out there. All right, we're doing a shotgun start here. So on the count of 3, 1, 2, 3. Here we go.
Oh, first fish of the day. See the iFish Pro. Bass. One bass.
Hot dog. You got your tape?
I do. Unfortunately, it doesn't count since it's my tape.
Whatever. I don't really want to measure something this tiny, but it might be the only bass I catch. So. Carter, you want to hold him still? He's not being cooperative here. Carter, you come tell me how big he is. Put it at the tip of his tail. Ah, dang thing. All right, put it at the tip of his tail. What is he? 11 3/4. All right. All right, go give that to your dad. Hour 1 check-in. What do you got?
0. I've had one bite just about 5 minutes ago, and it felt giant. Very tiny. Got myself just a little waxworm spike on. No luck. Some farm pond my buddy Dan put us on. We'll see, maybe they'll turn on here in a little bit.
I'm hoping that one bass doesn't take the day, because that'd be kind of pitiful. At least I won't be buying lunch if that happens. So. Alright, we got one on.
Holy cow. Oh my gosh. Oh, Dan's on my team.
You got your tape, Keith?
I do.
Holy
You have my tape. That looks like a master angler.
There's a lot of 9. You measure a lot of 9 and 7/8.
That's 10. That is a 10.
But
That's a 10 and a quarter. Totally.
Holy cow.
want to get a picture of it?
Yeah.
Fill that bad boy off one more time here. Hot dog.
Auto. Oh no. He's still on there.
Jingle bells going off.
What do we have? Came off. Oh. Darn it. Came off.
up. Hey, Jake. There's the I just caught him. There's the biggest crappie of the day. I would measure him, but there's several down there. I'm gonna get right back in. We'll give him just 1 second, see if we can get another one. Flag!
Isn't that funny? Shit doesn't happen for an hour.
And now it just turns right on.
And now everything turns on. What? Nothing happened.
No. There's a bigger one. Oh yeah, there's a decent one. Yep. There's a decent crappie. We can throw this little guy back down. What do you got?
Come over here, please.
All right.
Right off the bottom.
Yeah, pretty much on the bottom. What do we got? Trying to get a measurement here.
I'm going 11.
I bet he goes 10.5. No, you're right. I got him right at the nose. Just a little more than 11.
Count that as my useless skills.
A little more than 11 right there. Dan guessed it right on the head.
At the nose, 16 3/4. $16 3/4.
All right, 11 inches, Jake. Yep. What? Help you what? Yeah, hold on. Yes. 11-inch crappie. All right, 1 to 1. I was talking to Jake. I went to go put my auto down and I was marking them, you know, all the way up 4 feet off the bottom. And one just came charging up and hit it super hard. Of course, it didn't have the minnow in its mouth.
I put a jigging rod down earlier, and as soon as I took it away, my fingers blew it up thick ass water. Just dropped it back down.
Yeah, of course. Well, this is the bass hole, I guess. 16 3/4, is that what I heard? Now, that's gonna be tough to beat. 11-inch crappie, that's beatable. We'll see. Maybe I need to move my big minnow up here.
I put a big one.
You still have a fat head though?
Yeah.
Do you put a sucker minnow or a fat head?
Yeah. 16 3/4 inch largemouth. Nice. That's a big bastard, guys.
Yeah, but how do you catch them? I don't even see any fish.
Exactly, that's the issue, Carter.
Why do you have orange line?
What's that?
Why do you have orange line?
So I can see if I'm bringing line in or not. Mm-hmm.
Weird.
You know how far apart the orange blobs are? They're a foot. So I know how deep my lure is. A foot. See? A foot. Ah, come on. Not very big, but better than nothing. All right, so my tactic right now, this pond's a big, long finger. Everybody else is fishing down over here by the dam. I figure I'll get up here in the shallower stuff, see if I can get on anything different. Just iced a small little largemouth, hopefully his big grandpappy's with him. What? The thing never went off. The light's not flashing. Ah.
My auto just went off.
Ah. My light never got off. Not quite sure what everybody else is using today, but this has been my ticket. Fire Tiger, tungsten jigged, tipped with a waxworm. Put some spikes on, but they weren't looking at that at all. So unfortunately, I'm using waxworms. Not a huge waxworm fan. Ho-ho! I don't know if you can see that, but that is a giant bluegill. Holy crap. Look at that thing. Let's get a tape on him. I'm not quite sure you'll go 10 or not, but right at 9. All right, so I just managed to take first place in the bluegill division. Just got a 9-inch bluegill. That's pretty fun. I've been seeing quite a few other marks down there, and hopefully they want to play with us.
I caught a 13-inch crappie over here. Yeah.
They're just sparse, aren't they? I mean,
Yeah,
it's like...
I kind of gotta, it seems like I gotta kind of bounce around. See, there they are. They're coming in. I think.
Minnow or?
No, I thought maybe that would work. It did not. Just a little tungsten tiny thing with a little spike on it. 2 of them.
All right, hour 2 check-in. Keith, what do you got?
13-inch crappie is what you got to beat. I did catch one small bass, but it's not going to beat the 17-incher.
All right, so I got that bass and a 9-inch bluegill, hoping that can hold on, but we've caught a 10-inch out here. Dan caught one, so they're out here.
Maybe I'll catch a big catfish. Get that point.
They gotta be crappies.
Oh, they're crappie. Carter, catch that fish. Catch that one. Catch him. Right here, right here, right here, right here. Just grab it. Grab it, grab it. Pick it up a reel. Pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Reel, reel, reel. What do we got? What do we got? What do we got? Reel, reel, reel. Oh my gosh, bud. Oh, oh, buddy.
What?
That is a big, big crappie.
Dan!
Pretty big.
Big.
I got a guy that's pretty good at guessing. We're gonna have to get a picture of that. Holy cow. Just put that right in there, bud. Let's get a measurement, because this counts, Jake, even though I didn't reel it in.
That's a crappie?
That's a big, big crappie. Here, let's put here. Hold this tape down.
14-incher.
Maybe more.
I'm down.
That's a 14-inch crappie. Here, hold him up. Hold him up. Get it? Good job. Nice job, bud. Way to go.
That's our biggest crappie yet.
14-inch crappie. Nice. Yes. Good job, bud. Way to go. Way to go. Did you get him, Cleet?
Yeah.
Let's see. Big one?
Oh, big deal.
Big bluegill, huh?
Wow.
Let's see it. Oh my gosh,
What a
Cleet.
toad. What a toad.
Big bluegill. Big bluegill.
See, you guys don't think I'm so full of shit now, do you?
Yeah, let's see. Let's get a picture of that, Cleet. I'll send it to you
That
later.
is massive.
Hold that up. Holy cow. You want a measurement quick?
I got it. Right here. Yeah, that's a fatty.
That is nice.
Wait, you need a new bottle or you got one?
Oh, I got plenty. I'm gonna go 9.5. 9.25. Wow.
I need to catch one of those and beat Jake.
What did you get?
9. Nicely done, Cleet. What, just that little tungsten?
Yeah.
On the bottom?
Yeah.
Nice.
Well, actually, he looked 4 feet off the bottom.
Did he? Well, they're finally getting some to work. But we're gonna keep him. He guzzled the hook, and they're not the worst to eat. Not gonna beat Jake, unfortunately. I got him on crappies though. Still back at it.
Holy cow. I still don't have my auto on.
We gotta catch a big sunfish, Carter. Little tiny bluegill. Not gonna beat Jake. Flag! Jake. I would go and film, but I've got a ton down here. Whoa, whoa! He's got a big crappie? Oh yeah! Alright, I'm gonna go film Jake. 12 3/4. 12 3/4. All right, the crappie are starting to bite. Here's a 12 3/4 incher. Not gonna beat the 14 incher that Keith has, but, or who caught that, Carter?
Yeah.
All right. Anyways, finally caught my first crappie of the day, so let's get him back. Gotta throw the big ones back. Off he goes.
As stated before, the 14 incher counts for me, my pull.
cheater, making your kid reel them in.
It only took all day. We were yelling, but you can't hear. I saw you running over. I yelled flag anyways. Did it? Well, it's probably up for 7 or 8 minutes.
Well, he came out of nowhere. Nice one. Well, he's not gonna break my 16 3/4, but another good bass. Getting back in the water. It was. Not now. Son of a.
Oh, man, that's nice.
Holy cow, nice.
Oh, come on.
Good way.
Got it.
Nice. Nice. What do you think? 13, 13 and a half?
Yeah, probably.
Okay.
13, 13 and a half.
13 and a half, I give them.
Yeah. That's a good one. Very good.
Gotta let the big ones go.
Come on, go down, bud. There you go.
I'm going to film you guys and upload you to Influencers in the Wild.
Do it. I mean, you follow that page?
Oh, yeah.
That's so good. I love it so much.
All right, what'd you get?
All right, biggest bass that I caught was 16 3/4. Did you beat that?
No, I got 2 bass that would beat that. Adding them together.
Oh, okay. Well, that doesn't work, Keith. And then a 9-inch bluegill. So those are the 2 biggest ones. I think I have like a 12 3/4 inch crappie, something like that. Barely broke a foot.
I got a 14-inch crappie, which I'm counting. Even
So,
though my boy reeled it in.
I don't have that.
1 point for me. The 2 bass that add up to about 16 inches. They're actually bigger than that, but they're not 16. And I got like a 4-inch bluegill.
So you're buying lunch, huh?
So I gotta buy lunch this time. Oh well. Gotta love Iowa farm ponds. We got some tanker crappie and some giant sunnies.
That's pretty awesome.
Thanks to our buddy Dan. He's the one who got us out here. Definitely, definitely worth another trip. So
He'll definitely make a few guest appearances on here, so hope you like it. Anyways,
all right,
that's another Bucket Boys adventure. You got anything else to say?
that's it. Let's go.
All right.